Hello students, today let us discuss about how to convert the images of your project into a PDF document. I am sure by now you must have finalized your project and you are waiting for converting your project into a PDF document and its submission. So without much delay, let us go ahead. I have installed an application called as Doc Scanner. The application Doc Scanner is already available into the Google Play Store. You can go to the Google Play Store, search for the Google Doc Scanner application, download and install the same. Before converting into PDF, first step is to click the images. I am going to open the application camera into my smartphone. I am going to convert only these two pages for simplicity. I am going to click the images of these two pages, page 1 and the page 2. The images are now stored into the images folder of my smartphone. I am satisfied with the images. Now I will convert the images into a PDF document. For that I will open the application called as the Doc Scanner. The Doc Scanner application format interface looks somewhat like this, and at the bottom you will find there are two options, one called as camera and second is called as images. I am going to select the images folder out of this. Into this I will find the two images which I have already clicked, image 1 and image 2. After selecting those images, I can see those images are already selected into the downward tray, and I will find there is one option called as done with the two images. So once the done, I am going to select, the document scanner is going to import these images. Once the importing is done successfully, a pop-up message will offer. It will ask you how do you want to crop and edit these images, whether manually or auto. I will go for manual cropping. I will select the option called as continue. After continue, I will get to see the first image I have clicked. I can see the image with the borders. I will adjust the borders. I will crop the borders of the image, and once the images ka borders have been cropped, onto the right hand most top down arrow I will get to see a right handed arrow. I will click on that. So first page is getting converted, is converted into a PDF. Now I will move to the second one. Again I will do the same thing for the entire process. I will adjust the borders very perfectly, very correctly, so that there should not be anything which is missing out. Once that is done, then I will again click on to the same arrow, right hand side arrow. Okay. So I can see that the two images have been scanned, but there is a problem that the order has become reverse. So for converting that, I will again go for adjusting these two things. You can see the page number 2 have come first and the page number 1 has gone to the second place. I want to adjust the order of the images, and for that I will click on the option called as more. Into the more I will get an option to move the pages. So you can see these two pages, page 1 and page 2. You can drag through these two pages to adjust their order. So now the page number 1 has come at the first place, page number 2 has come at the second place. I am satisfied with this. I will go for a back button. Page number 1 and page number 2 has been come now in a proper order, in a proper manner. I want to check now whether the PDF has been properly formed. I will click on the option open PDF. Once open PDF is done, I will again get two options: create PDF for this file only or create PDF for the entire document. I want the entire document to be converted into PDF. I don't want the conversion of only single page into a PDF document. That is why I will go for conversion of the entire document. I will select the second option and I can see that the entire document has been simply converted into a PDF. My job is done. I want to now convert, I want to save this PDF into my mobile phones. So into the lower tray again you get an option called as save. Once you have clicked at that save, again you are getting to see several options: save as image, save as PDF. There is no need to convert again it back into the image. There is no need for any password to be put in. You have to just simply save the document as PDF. Click on select. After that you will find you have to rename the file, PDF file that has been generated. I will rename it with my name, that is Swapnesh Ranganekar project. Don't forget to add .pdf. So once .pdf has been added, it gets converted into the PDF document. I will go for submission. I will click OK. After submission, now selection of OK, I will find the document has been saved successfully. I want to check whether it has been really formed. I will go back into, I will click on file manager and I will search for the document which has been generated. You can see here Swapnesh Ranganekar project is already there. I will open this and I will find that my PDF is already ready. It is there with me. So my job is done. My project has been converted into a PDF document. Thank you.